Welcome to the Lunch Drawing Digitally competition. Each round will display another set of 2 paintings done by myself, Darren Cannell. The images are based on the theme of lunch, and each round will be judged by my Facebook friends and my Facebook groups. The voting occurs for 1 day, and then the next 2 images will be posted, and a brief video will be posted explaining who won the previous day and what the vote count was. The first day round has been completed, and it was between the giraffe and the zebra. The voting has been counted, and the winner of round 1 was the giraffe. The winner will move on to the next stage of the competition. They will then compete against the 2 images that we're displaying today. The 2 images that we're displaying today are the blue jay and the chickadee. Vote, and tomorrow at this time you'll see the results of the first stage of the lunch drawing competition.